Hi, so this is TK-1. This is a hybrid concept. So we purchased this bike for around about 600 dirhams, equates to about 150 UK pounds. With our technology, we converted this old bike, we made it into an electric bike. So as a top-end performance electric bike, for example, like Porsche. So the beauty with this is I'm using it as a normal bike. You can see, demonstrating pedaling as normal. But as it's a hybrid concept, we can use the motor just when we feel like so. So I'm going to start using the motor 20-30%, helping me along, still slightly pedaling, so demonstrating true pedal assist here. Might increase it now a bit more to 50%. Now I'm going to use option 3 out of the hybrid options, which will allow me to stop pedaling and just use battery. If I want to increase the torque, it's got the bike there as well. So we have 3 options there with TK-1.